Hey everyone, welcome back. If HBO Max downloads are not working or getting stuck, here's how to fix this issue quickly on mobile devices. First, make sure that you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. HBO Max may block downloads on weak connection. Then, check you have enough storage space on your phone. Head over to your settings, then go to General, then iPhone Storage, and check your storage. Since downloads require free some space if you're able to do so. Then go to the HBO Max settings and confirm that downloads are enabled. Pause the download, restart the app, and try downloading again. If downloads still fail, go ahead and head over to your app store, search for the HBO Max app, and then make sure the app is updated to the latest version so you do not have login issues. Login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so always make sure to update it. Once fixed, you should be able to download shows and watch them offline without any issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.